In this video, we will demonstrate how to list an item on a decentralized online marketplace. The marketplace is a website entirely stored on the blockchain. To access it, we use the SafeAct app and go to the SafeWeb browser. On decentralized websites, account names serve as the domain. For example, Infinite Mart hosts a version of the SafeAct marketplace. To list an item, we first need to create a user account. Under Profile, click on Get Your User Data to log in with our wallet. Here, I'm using the Anchor wallet on the EOS blockchain. Depending on the wallet, the prompt may vary. Optionally, we can add a PGP key to receive encrypted messages from users. If I don't have a PGP key, I can generate one with a few clicks using the Generate New Key button. To decrypt messages later, it's important to securely store your private PGP key, which is different from the public key that is automatically entered here. Now, we want to register as a seller. We select all tokens we accept as payment methods. For message exchange, we can provide contact addresses for any messenger apps. For example, a contact on the Telegram Messenger starts with t.me/. But email addresses can also be added. By clicking on the buttons, we can check if the user is redirected correctly. That seems to be correct. Additionally, an optional note for all potential customers can be provided. Now, we can upload our user data, which must be confirmed with our own wallet. From now on, we can list items with this account. We provide a title and a category under which the item will be found. An optional item description and pictures should also be included. Storing pictures on the blockchain is quite expensive, so we only provide the URL to images. Here, as an example, is an image from Wikipedia, whose image address we copy and paste into the appropriate field. I've chosen another image here. The second image is not displayed as a preview because it requires too much storage space. Therefore, I download the image and manually reduce the resolution with Paint. Additionally, the image can be further compressed for free using tools like tinypng.com. I save this compressed image and upload it to an image upload website with disabled auto-deletion. Now we can open the link to the image and copy the actual address of the image. A quick test shows that we only get the image when we call up the URL. And that looks clean. When we enter this URL in the store, it also appears in the preview. With the arrows on the right, we can determine the order of the images, with the first image always serving as the thumbnail. If the item is available in different versions, this can be indicated here. Multiple items can be sold simultaneously, and different quantity discounts can be set. If only the specified quantities are available, fixed quantities should be selected. Otherwise, a maximum quantity per purchase can be specified. The listing would be active immediately after being posted, but I would like to extend its duration to 3 months. Next, we specify the region, first from where the item is shipped. I don't want to specify further, so I just select Worldwide. Shipping here is within EU countries, but I explicitly want to exclude Germany. For fraud protection, it's very important to specify the actual maximum duration. This consists of the preparation time for shipping and the shipping service's duration. The latter must be specified separately for each target region. A separate shipping price can also be entered for the target region. As a pure delivery time, I specify a maximum of 1 week. Optionally, a note can be added for customers specifically interested in this item. Under Preview, we can view and test the entire entry as it will be displayed to customers. This is especially interesting for checking the quantity discounts. We close the preview. And since we are already logged into our wallet, we can submit and sign the item entry. If we reload the page, we find the item under the specified category. Thank you for listening. If you have further questions, feel free to ask us in our Telegram group.